Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you on how to check your cycle count on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Ensuring your battery is in good shape is essential for the longevity of your device. So, let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select About this Mac. In the About this Mac window, click on the More Info button. This will open the System Information window. Inside the System Information window, scroll down and click on System Report. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Power section. Click on Power to reveal detailed information about your Mac's battery. Now that you are in the Power section, you can see various details about your battery's health. Here, you will find your cycle count. Your cycle count is a crucial metric to monitor because it provides insight into your battery's overall health. Battery cycles are a measure of how many complete charge and discharge cycles your battery has undergone. One complete cycle means using up 100% of your battery's capacity, whether in one go or over several partial charges. Ideally, a MacBook battery can handle around 1,000 complete cycles before its capacity starts to diminish significantly. So, if your cycle count is well below 1,000, your battery is in great shape. But what if your cycle count is approaching or exceeding that 1,000 mark? Don't worry just yet. Modern MacBooks have intelligent battery management. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in our next video.